If you are a sign shop that does over 100 signs and banners a month and are looking for a faster way to increase your output, we recommend our T300 Extreme. This welder is the fastest finishing solution on the market. A 4x8 banner can be finished in less than a minute. The T300 is a very versatile machine that allows you to easily switch from hems, rope and hems, pull pockets, apply webbing, and a whole lot more. The T300 can be used with a variety of materials, from any weight of PVC laminate to PVC mesh, and you will get a solid weld every time. How does the welder work? It uses a combination of heat, speed, and pressure to weld the strongest bond possible. No tape, no thread, no glue needed with welding, which saves you money. Because the heat goes between the fabric layers, your print will go untouched, leaving you a beautiful end product. Your operator will be fully trained within 1 day by one of our certified technicians who will teach your operator how to weld each type of your fabrics, set your fabric recipes on your HMI screen, and answer any questions your team has. If you are looking to increase your output, gain a versatile product range, and want an easy solution, the T300 Extreme is a perfect solution for you.